We are starting this video completely different compared to the other videos. I'm gonna do my quarter-mile run really soon. I'm quickly driving to a safe location. So let me tell you guys what I've changed. I have finally pumped up my wheels. Over time, they obviously just go flat. I've got a slow puncher on the one as well. I'm currently running 2.3 bar across all four of them. I know obviously for traction, you got to drop it, but this car doesn't have traction problems. I'll be lucky if I can launch it. So we're going to try to see, oh yeah, and before I forget, I did do another thing. It was the biggest motivator for this video. So I've got a blower valve that actually has an adjuster, right? So the blower valve, you can adjust it to be fully open, halfway, or closed. So when it's closed, it's recirculating the boost air. So which I'm not 100% sure of, because listen to this. Did you guys hear that blow off? So my car is still blowing off very loudly. So I'm kind of a bit not sure if that adjuster works or not. I do know that I did close the adjuster valve. Sorry guys, hard multitasking. I do know that I did close and open the adjuster valve before I put it in to make sure it works. So it works, but does it actually work? That's my question. So I'm going to do my quarter-mile run again. I'm going to see if there's any improvements. If there is, then I know it was the blower valve and maybe a little bit the tire pressure. But otherwise, if it doesn't work, I'm going to remove the blower valve. The reason why I say that is because previously, I had my 1.8 turbo Audi A4 B8. This is my 2-liter Quattro. I had a 1.8 turbo. It was actually on a dyno, and under max boost, the blower valve opened. You could literally hear it sounded like a pipe blowing off of how the BOV blower valve open. It's like, oh, you can just hear something. Whoa, what's going on now? And that was under peak boost. So I'm wondering if the same is not actually happening. So let's quickly try it out. I'm just gonna make a few more turns and then I'll be there. All right, let's try this out. Please launch on me. There we go. Okay. Oh my gosh, this feels different. For some reason, it's shifting very early. At 5.5, what's going on? Okay, it shifted very early. I mean, like, we shifted at 5.5 for some reason, or even 5.2 or 5.3. It did it the previous time as well. I am not sure why it did it, to be exact. So I'll quickly make a U-turn now. We'll see what it is, and then I might actually just do another run and see how that plays off. I don't know why it's shifting so early. I really got to do my DSG software because it's really pulling me back. It's holding me back. So let's quickly just go around the corner here and make our way back. All right, so it was a little bit better. We got 15.1. And they say for the US units, we were at 15.2. So we're already a 0.3 faster, but we are still shifting too early. So I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do the run again, but I'm gonna leave it in sports mode. I'm not gonna shift manually or anything like that. Like now, I did shift the first gear manually. The problem with the first gear is it's almost like it's hesitating for whatever reason. I'm not sure why. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the run again, and then I'm just gonna leave it in sports mode, let the sports mode shift it. I'm trying to think now, can I launch this car in drive mode? I mean, if I can, I know because I usually drive it in drive mode, so I can, then it shifts automatically at 6. So, but now once again, I was shifting automatically, manually, so it was technically in drive mode. Okay, so let's just try again and just see what we can get from it. Why is it shifting so darn early? 5.5. I haven't shifted at all. We're in sports mode. There was a 5.2. Okay, so we got our analytics. We got a 15.5. So that means we did even worse off this round. I'm not sure why it does that or whatsoever, but the car does feel better for whatever reason. It feels like we are running a little bit stronger. I don't know if it's because of the BOV. I don't know if it's the shifts messing it up. Maybe we just gotta try again. I think maybe we just gotta try again and try not to launch. That's gonna defeat the purpose. Damn it! This is like one of the worst freaking situations you can ever be in. You know what? Let me try again. But we are not gonna launch. We're just gonna try to launch. Sorry. We're just gonna launch again, but we're just gonna launch off from the normal drive mode, like 2000 RPMs. So then we'll see what's gonna happen then. All right, so here we go. 2000, okay, that's not even a 2000 RPM launch. Okay, there we go. Now we can shift till 6000. But the launch was horrendous. Let's see, 15.7. So without the launch, I do horrible. With the launch, the car shifts automatically. I think really that this DSG software has got me pinned down. I think it's one of the next things that I have to try. I am a little disappointed right now. I was really hoping to be able to put down a little bit better time. I was hoping to get into the 14s at least, but unfortunately I didn't. I got my base was 15.2 now. I think what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna remove my blower valve and see if it isn't maybe the blower valve slowing me down. I definitely felt an improvement from, sorry, just auto cruising. I did feel an improvement from when I closed it, and for some reason my blower valve is still dumping so darn loud. I don't understand why, because it's closed. It should be recirculating most of the air, unless it's pushing through my what do you call it, unless it's pushing through the blower valve, sorry, the cone filter. So yeah, it was a big disappointment. I think I'm going to try this again. It's probably going to be these short clips, well, videos. It's not going to be very long. So yeah, hopefully when I come back, I'm going to take the blower valve out and see what the car does then. But yeah, these early shiftings aren't working for me. But thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really do appreciate it. We're going to have a slow road to success. And yeah, we'll see when we get there. But for now, peace out, everyone.